Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Self Belief. In this video, we will learn about what is anatomy, what is physiology, and the scope of anatomy and physiology. We all know that without knowledge of anatomy and physiology, we cannot describe the human body and related disease. So let's start. Anatomy term first described by Aristotle. The term anatomy made up of two words. First one is ana and second one is tomy. Ana means up and tomy means process of cutting. So anatomy means cutting up or taking apart. Now definition of anatomy. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the body. For example, study of structure of the stomach is called stomach anatomy. Now physiology. The word physiology made up of two words. First one is physio and second one is logy. Physio means nature and logy means study of. So word physiology means study of nature. Now definition of physiology. Physiology is the branch of science that deals with the various functions of the living organism. For example, how human body works. Now scope of anatomy. Branches or subdivisions. First, clinical anatomy. Study of clinical signs and symptoms to arrive at a diagnosis. Second, embryology. Study of first 8 weeks of development after fertilization of human egg. Third, developmental anatomy. Study of complete development of an individual from fertilization to death. Fourth, gross anatomy. Study of the structure of the body, usually with naked eyes. Means without microscope. Then, systemic anatomy. Study of the structure of the body system. For example, digestive system, cardiovascular system. Then, regional anatomy. Study of the structure of a definitive part or various regions of the body. For example, head and neck, thorax, abdomen. 7. Surface anatomy. Study of projection of internal body parts on the corresponding external surface area of the body. These help in clinical correlation with normal and abnormal anatomy. 8. Cytology. Study of cell. 9. Histology. Study of microscopic structure of the tissue. 10. Comparative anatomy. Study of structural variation between other animal and human. Now, subdivisions of physiology. First, neurophysiology. Study of functional properties of nervous cell. Second, endocrinology. Study of hormones and how they control the body functions. Third, cardiovascular physiology. Study of function of heart and blood vessels. Fourth, immunology. Study of how the body defends itself against disease-causing agents. Fifth, respiratory physiology. Study of how our respiratory system works. Sixth, digestion and metabolism physiology. Study of how our digestion and metabolism occur into our body. 7. Physiology of excretory system. Study of functions of kidney and other excretory organs. 8. Physiology of muscular system. Study of functions of how our muscular system works.